Hey YouTube, it's your boy Doi, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to do a food review of Japanese curry and boba tea, and it's gonna be my first time having boba. And so I hope you enjoy this food review. Okay, let's see what's inside here. Okay, we got the boba straw. I'm gonna put it over here. Let's see it. Oh, one, two, three. Ta-da! I thought they would have already added the sauce and all that, but I guess not. So here's the rice, and here's the curry sauce with beef, vegetables. I don't know. Now, how do I even open this? Oh, I think you're supposed to pop off the lid like this, but I have to be careful. Whoa. Look at that. Oh. Oh. Whoa. And it also smells really good. Like, honestly. This is like a 10 out of 10 to smell everything. Can't wait until I eat this. Oh man. It's gonna be good. Gotta be careful not to burn myself. Okay. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. That literally filled up the whole plate. Now put that over there. Spoon acquired. I was going to get a fork, but I thought, never mind, I'm just going to use a spoon because it seems more easier. And I could also use my chopsticks, but I'm not really good at using chopsticks, so that's why I'm going to use a spoon. This smells real good, guys. Okay, here's the first bite. Okay. Hot. It's good. Oishi. It's so good. It fills me up. Oh, I'm going to tear this thing apart. This is so delicious. If you guys want to know where I got this curry from, it's from this Japanese restaurant called Tanakaya. Here, I'll put it up on the screen, and yeah, order their food because it's delicious. Man, this is so good. Follow my Instagram at d_duo. Follow me because I post dope pics, and yeah, why not? So I just finished eating the curry. So I'm gonna give it a rating of 1 to 10, and drum roll. 8.5. The reason why I give it 8.5 is because I found a piece of hair, and I don't really like hair in my food, so yeah, that's why I give it that score. I would have given it a 10 out of 10 because I love Japanese food. I really want to move to Japan and work there and basically die in Japan. I would have gave it like a 6 or 5 out of 10, but I let it pass because I like Japanese food. Okay, now it's time to try the boba tea, and this is gonna be my first time trying boba, and I hope it tastes good. Okay. Okay. Ta-da! Wow. And I thought this was supposed to be like one of those bobas where you stick the straw in. Here I go. This is the moment y'all been waiting for. Oh my god. It was good. I'm kind of scared to drink this while it has tapioca seeds, because like what if you're drinking and one of the tapioca seeds like makes you choke, and yeah, that's why I'm a bit scared. Also ordered the mango flavored one. And I could say it's not bad. It's pretty good. Okay, I just finished the Okay, so I just finished the bubble tea, and I'm going to give it a rating of 8.5. So yeah, I give it 8.5, and it tasted really good. But the tapioca balls or seeds, whatever you call it, they kind of tasted weird, kind of a bit funny. But I think that's just all me. But I think that's just me, just being a little baby. But it was overall, it was good. And anyone that's the restaurant that could understand Japanese, they say something in my broken Japanese or whatever. So prepare for cringe. Arigato gozaimasu. Gocho-sama. The food was oishii, and yeah. Thanks for listening to my terrible Japanese, and I'll order it again. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you like, share, and subscribe, and leave the post notifications on, so whenever I post a new video, you can be notified. And I'm out.